The Eastpak Tranverz medium rolling Holdall from Aspen of Hereford. On the front we have a zip pocket, the full height of the front of the bag. On each side we have a pair of cinch straps to keep smaller loads cinched up and tight. On the top of the bag we find the TSA Padlock. A 2-height extending trolley handle. On the top and the side we have padded carry handles to turn it into a suitcase carry. On the back we have 2 generous curb guards. A pair of smooth running inline skate wheels. And D-shaped feet on the bottom, allowing the case to stand up. Twin zips lead to the main compartment, which reveals a double-decker section. One small flap pocket. Both top and bottom sections are zipped. Compression straps for your clothes are in the bottom section. The grab handle on the top and the one on the base make it very easy to lift in and out of the boot of a car. It measures 67 centimetres tall, 36 centimetres wide and 30 centimetres deep. It only weighs 3.2 kilograms and has a total of 78 litres of space.